First. Rồi, cắt cái đấy nhá. Welcome back to the IELTS Workshop's channel. My name is Quang from the IELTS Workshop, and this is 5 words about. Alright, so today I'd like to bring you guys 5 words about summer because, you know, it's the summer. Alright, so disclaimer, these first 2 words or phrases are not very academic, you know. Then there's a very high chance that you won't be able to use it during the IELTS exam. But you know, you can make like cool captions with them, and you know, you could use them for everyday life. So let's get right into it. So the first phrase is sun's out, bam, guns out. All right. What it means is that it's the act of showing off your muscle or your body, you know, all those hard work, all those hours spent at the gym, you know. And for guys, it's sun's out, guns out. And for girls, it's sun's out, buns out. Buns. All right, so I'm gonna give you guys a little example of how to use it, you know. Hey bro, nice tank bro. Yeah bro, sun's out, guns out. Wow. So my second phrase for you guys is send it. What it means is knowingly and willingly pursuing a high-risk course of action with reckless disregard for potential consequences. All right. And the way to use it, you don't say send it, you say send it. Hey bro, should I jump off this cliff, bro? Yeah bro, send it! So for the next part of this video, I'd like to give you guys words that are more academic and could actually be used for the IELTS exam. So everybody knows the word hot, right? Or very hot, you know, the weather's very hot, you know. But fewer people know the word scorching, searing, and boiling, all right? But I guarantee you guys, not many people know the word sweltering. Sweltering means extremely and uncomfortably hot. So another word that could be used for describing the weather in the summer is stuffy. Stuffy weather means it's unpleasant because there's a lack of fresh air, you know. So you could actually combine the words together and make a sentence like the weather in Vietnam during June is so stuffy and sweltering. A slight note about the word stuffy is that it could actually be used to describe other things, you know. If a person is stuffy, it means that person is formal, old-fashioned, and boring. And if your nose is stuffy, it means it's blocked because you have a cold. All right? So my final word for you guys today is hazy. Hazy weather means it's foggy. Not particularly because of the fog, but because of the pollution. So you could say Vietnamese summers are usually quite hazy, you know. A slight note about the word hazy is that it also has another meaning, you know, not remembering things very clearly. So you could say you have very hazy childhood memories, or you could feel a little hazy from a night out being drunk, all right? So those were 5 words about summer. If you guys like this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel. All right, this has been Quang from the IELTS Workshop. See you guys.